So let's call the height and the base h and b. Then the height of a triangle is 2 units more than the base. So that means if I add 2 to the base, I get the height. Okay, and I also know that the area of the triangle, which is given to me base times height divided by 2, is going to be 10 square units. Or in other words, multiplying both sides by 2, base times height is 20. And if we substitute in for h here, we get base times b plus 2 is equal to 20. All right, so then we can find the base. Right, all we have to do is expand this and bring the 20 over. Then we get this. Okay, then using the quadratic formula, we have that a is 1, b is 2, and c is minus 20. So we get that b, right? This b is different than the b we use here. It's going to be minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 20 all over 2. So this is minus 2 plus or minus, this is 4 plus 80. So that's 84 over 2. Okay, so you can estimate this to be these two values. Okay, but clearly, right, we can't take a negative base, so we have that the base must be 3.58 units long.